Hey guys, so it's the morning, time is 5:49 and it's Sunday 21st April and it is Easter today and I'm so freaking tired, but welcome to the weekish vlog. It's past a week, a week and a little bit, but welcome to a weekish vlog. Let's see what happens. I'm tired, but today gonna be a lot of travelling, so see what happens. But see guys, I don't know, time lapse of travelling. I don't know, I'm tired, but yeah, it's too early. I'll be found in a fortnight alone and behold. We're breaking free, soaring, flying, then a star in heaven we can reach if we try it. So these are pancakes from Burger King, guys. It's squishy, looks unnatural, looks like something alien or something. I don't know. I'll try it. It tastes like pancakes. It tastes like normal pancakes, but like really small. It's my size.
That's like shit. It's like pancake.
It's alright. So guys, build the tents now. We've got a small one for storage and that, but we've got a tent, just putting all the stuff in what I got in the car. I haven't got a lot of it, but yeah, I'm exhausted now, I want to be here. So guys, built the tent. This is me and Carl's room, and this is the living room area, and look how small I didn't know how small it was. How big? Mine's so tiny. And also this is the food. So yeah, this tent guys. It's hot in here. Very, very hot. Just edited the vlog guys. Sport time. How you doing, Kyle?
I'm alright, how you doing?
I don't know.
Cheers. Or not, fuck off.
What burgers guys?
This is the only thing you've got done this week.
Burgers? No, I'm not. Got burgers on the grill. Burger guys.
That's 16 slices of it.
What time it is guys, but we're all heading out. Time 19:28. We all fell asleep. I'm tired, yeah? Tired. We in the tent, just chillaxing and just getting dinner ready and everything for foodies, and this camera. Oh my god, it's so cold right now. You right there, Kyle? You right there? But anyway, yeah. My camera's so cold, but yeah. I don't know, my voice still croaking, still tired, and my face looks burning hot and feels burning hot. I don't know what happened. I don't know, but yeah, still feel really tired. Food is ready, guys. Got chips, and also got a chicken burger. We love our burgers. Oh. We outside, you can't see me much because it's dark and everything. I try to do the best light there we go. But outside it's stars. You can't see it on my camera. But I had a picture or something now or something. If I can find it, or when Carl send it to me. But
If I
yeah.
can get a picture. Huh? Don't promise you I can't do it.
Well, it will be or will not be. But yeah, look at the stars. Where they came from? Oh my god, so many. So guys, I gotta go to bed. So and everything, we all gotta go to bed. So day 1 camping completed. Cold. Let's. That really hurt me. Oh god, it's so done. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so time is 8:06 and it's been a long night. Like, oh, you know when you walk on a pop-up, it's been a long night, hasn't it? A long night. It feels like long. I mean, oh my god, it felt like a long night. But yeah, I've got a heating on. Freaking freezing. So guys, we've got cereal now. I've got the healthy roster. Not healthy, but I love Special K. It's got Lucky Charms, which I'll probably eat. I like the marshmallow bit, and also, what is that again? Is it hot chocolate?
That's coffee.
Oh, I thought you made me hot chocolate.
That's not for you. I thought you said it doesn't go together, so I never did.
Oh.
Size.
But anyway, yeah. Oh, but first, I don't know. That's it, but we've been chilling, played a little bit Wii. I got really tired, so I'm gonna have a nap. Just woke up from that, eating some Christmas McCoys. Got to edit a little bit. Kyle and Ali watching Game of Thrones. At the moment, I just woke up, trying to wake up. I just got to edit what I vlogged so far. Currently, yeah, to do. What's up? What's up? Just chilling. Ali playing Wii. You can barely see it in camera, but yeah, just chillaxing. Cheers. Boop.
Round 2.
On the ball now. What can he make of this? He's finding it hard work to get the ball away. He plays it back to Taylor, and now here's Grealish. Haven't seen a lot of Grealish in this second half so far either.
So guys, we're in Tesco's now. Can we get a couple of bits? We get bread for food for later, for burgers and that, bread rolls. But yeah, anyway, we're in Tesco's now, guys. And yeah, see my Wii game was I do basketball, Wii Sport, no Wii Resort, and I haven't played that for a long time, but I've still got it now. Still got it. But anyway, yeah, I've got to get a couple of things from Tesco's. So guys, we got food. This is sausage and chips. So yeah, we got to eat this. Looks yummy. And also yeah, I got Tabasco sauce on the bread. I got to put something, make a sandwich. But yeah, it's yummy. Absolutely smashed it. Playing the Wii, guys. Playing the basketball 3-pointer thing 1, and I'm not playing it ever again. At all. No. Good boy. 19 again. Ali got 24. I got 22 and I can't beat my score. I'm not happy. Not happy. So guys, it's Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday today is the morning, 8:41, so I'm very hot in because I have the heating on. But yeah, I've got a slight headache. But yeah, I just woke up and it's Tuesday, I don't know what the plan is. But yeah, I'm up. I can't play the Wii, guys. My head hurts, but I'll try and distract myself. Eating cereal and watching a couple of YouTube videos you can't even see.
It's gonna be us
Eating
two.
Oreos.
We're gonna get one small hit.
And playing the Wii. Ali versus Kyle. Who will win? Kyle won by 6.
Get it? 'Cause it's
You can't, I can't even see anything on camera. So guys, we're at the beach, if you can call it a beach. It's really sunny. I got my sunnies on, but I took them off for 1 second and really sunny. My arms hurt from your arms. Mine arms hurt, then we're at the beach. I got food, guys. So guys, I had a shower in the place, just like a rinse shower thing and everything, to play a little bit of football and just, you know, what we brought today. I didn't vlog that, but I had a massive migraine, didn't feel up to it and everything, but I'm fine now. But yeah, I can't put the heating on and damn, it's warm in here, it's really nice. But anyway, yeah, I just got into comfy clothes.
Sir? Sir, it's not my dog.
So guys, late one and everything, and we'll call it a night for today, and then tomorrow what will be planned, I could watch Avengers or whatever it's called, I don't know which one it is, but the last one, and that later tomorrow. But anyway, gotta call it night, so see you guys in a bit, in a couple of seconds, when it's a new day. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday today, and you can hear that it's the rain coming down so hard, like, oh my god, it's so rainy. We've been outside today, aren't we? No, but yeah, it's so rainy, I'm so cold. I was warmer down cold, can't we? Yeah, it's so rainy. I've got a hot chocolate, guys, haven't drank it yet because it's so hot. I've got a chicken wrap, guys. Just been editing the vlog, guys, like what I've vlogged so far. Not so far, I only done Sunday and Monday, but yeah, not too bad. It says it's only 8 or so minutes, but I haven't finished putting Monday vlog on. But yeah, I can barely because the rain, but yeah, just been editing. So guys, it's later. We finally finished raining and everything, but anyway, we're out in town because we've got to watch Avengers Double Bill, yay. Later on, so we need to get in town ready for that. So yeah, we're just looking around town as well, we're around the shops, and I'm so tired. So guys, we've got a hot chocolate and crusty cream. Oh donuts! What? You don't? Looks good. So guys, as you saw, we got Krispy Kreme. I mean, if you do survey, you get free donuts. So I did that and just gave it 2 more because you just want to get rid of them. See, free donuts. Playing pool, guys. Me, Ali, first, Kyle. We first both of us versing him. Who do you think will win?
Ali.
You never know.
He's got 2 balls left, we've got 5.
Oh. We lost, Ali won. He cheated though, he cheated. So guys, been Las Iguanas and I got some beer. This beer tastes really nice as well. Don't know what it is, but look at that. And also I got a burrito. So yeah, I got to eat this. So guys, it's a Thursday today. Thursday camping. And in Wednesday we watched Avengers. Well, basically, yeah, in the last one, we did watch Avengers, but I didn't vlog anything after food because I was tired, and also because the movie's out, so I couldn't vlog anything. And I didn't vlog when we got back. I was too tired and very bloated. I felt sick and everything. Probably all the snacks we had and the food on top of that, because we bought snacks. And when we were in cinema, it was a long ass movie. We watched Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame thing. But yeah, it was a long ass movie. It's alright. I'm not a big fan of Avengers anyway, but yeah. What? But yeah, anyway, we're just chilling. Just woke up right now. Kyle in chocolate. And I got a bell. Woo! You can hear me wherever I go now. You'd be happy about that. Why? So you hear me everywhere I go. But anyway, yeah, just woke up. It's like 9 or something. Probably like 10 now, isn't it? Something like that. But yeah, rain was alright. It was chilling. You can hear that? That's the rain. You see this? It's the wind blowing the tent all night. That was fun. But yeah. Ow! What is it?
Put your hand up.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Hazelnut mint.
Okay. Oh, chocolate everywhere then. So guys, it's later on now. Its time is now, I don't know, that we're gonna check, 15:43. We've just been lazy today and just chillaxing and sleeping and just chillaxing. And yeah, so didn't vlog much because there's nothing to vlog. We're just chillaxing. Just started to edit it, like vlog you're watching now, like the week vlog and everything. And yeah, for some reason I've done days Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Those days I edited so far. It's only 11 minutes so far, which I don't think it should be. I think it's longer than that. I know it is, but yeah, this one you're watching now, I swear it's longer though. But I don't know. But I haven't finished editing it. I haven't finished vlogging, so you know how long this could be. But yeah, we've just been pretty lazy, just chillaxing and everything. We've got McDonald's, guys. We've got McDonald's. Kyle.
Mackey's.
Cool. But yeah. So guys, haven't vlogged much, but basically went back and just unpacking the tent and everything. We're leaving tomorrow. I'm going to tree house and everything for our anniversary, me and Kyle. So I'm just packing the tent up now. Obviously we're still sleeping inside it tonight, but I'm just packing stuff inside that we won't use, so it's easier to pack tomorrow. We just need to put the tent down and obviously our bed and everything down. So yeah, just packing stuff that needs to be packed in the car's ready, so then don't have to do much tomorrow packing wise. So yeah, just been doing that. It's really late one now, not late one, but today gone pretty fast to be honest. Time is now 20:31 now, so yeah, I've got back at like 6 something, almost 7, so I think something like that. But yeah, it's been a chilled one today, very chilled one. But hope you enjoyed the week vlog so far. Whatever it is, I know bits of it, but yeah. But tomorrow we're going to go to tree house and that'd be fun, and see what all that about, because that looks really good and everything. So yeah, so went to camping, to tree housing, and then to a house when we come back home. Upgrade. We upgraded. But yeah, so just been busy doing all that. So yeah, I haven't vlogged much. But I didn't vlog these toilets because I thought, you know, camping toilets, they're going bad. These are not half bad, you know what I mean? These toilets are like decent. Like, I know it's weird me vlogging toilet, but like it's pretty decent. Like, obviously not at like home like you have at your house, but it's like pretty decent for public toilets and everything, for campsite anyway. But yeah, I'm just really shocked about that. Showers, well, that's some other thing, you can't help that. But anyway, yeah, I've got to get back now, guys. Yeah, got 2 Budweisers to drink because they weren't in the fridge, and the fridge is all packed away. So yeah, don't worry, I already had one. I'm very bloated right now. And also, I forgot to mention one, no Napoli Mackies. I peeled one off, I got a free Big Mac. I had a Big Mac today. Probably have that later on, like next month, before it run out. So yeah, free Big Mac. Woo-woo. But anyway, yeah, anyway, gotta head back now. So yeah, probably just chill, I don't know. Probably just chill rest of the night.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
My lord!
We're almost there. The guy told me to get off at the next exit. You're picking the lottery balls.